I'm the type to go and bring on me, take on me cash. Certified my whole life, come check my registration. Drunk but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. Clicking here, and the drum in the back, but please don't estimate them. Speaking so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Sharp big shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I'll kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. Fast, and crashing up the show. You ain't got $1 a month, you know I gotta go. Tolerate, kinda running high, but I'll pop me some more. Come off on that lady, or you can meet me at the show. Time to go and bring on, take on cash. Certified my whole life, come check my registration. Drunk but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. Clicking here, and the drum in the back, but please don't estimate it. Chicken, so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. Running going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Sharp big shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I would kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. Dirty lemonade, you are in the way. Honey, me play, throw that in the grave. They want me in the cage, fill that bitch with haze. Y'all was waiting on. Yeah, I got the red. This fast, and crashing up the show. You ain't got $1 a month, you know I gotta go. Tolerate, kinda running high, but I'll pop me some more. Come off on that lady, or you can meet me at the show. Time to go and bring on, take on cash. Certified my whole life, come check my registration. Drunk but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. Clicking here, and the drum in the back, but please don't estimate them. Man, this shit getting so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. Money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Sharp big shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. Kick her out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. Man, this shit getting so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. Money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator.